The market's going to do something. Your job is not to fight it.
What's up, everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to walk you through the trade that I took on the 15th of July 2024. So probably when you're watching this video, it will be the 6th of July. This trade was on gold. You can see the screenshot here. I took this trade around maybe 4 o'clock Central African time, right here. So let me just walk you through my analysis and what I was looking for in order to actually execute this trade. So let's hop on to the charts. Let me share the screen. So I'll be using the C-Trader backtesting 2. So as you can see, this was just after London session close. So I would do a pre and New York session analysis, and you can see what I was looking for. So at first I saw that price actually reacted at this level, right? When the actual London session opened. But for me, according to my strategy, I don't trade usually the London session. I only trade the New York, but I'm just gonna show you my analysis even before the New York open. So as you can see, price actually took out the Asian low and then went on so to respect this level. So as soon as it respected this level, one would have looked for, as you can see, there was a breakout here, and then if you took a closer look, you see that price grabbed liquidity below this area, and then it went on to change character here, and then went on to respect this order block, this candle that created the last low here, and then closed bullish here, and then went boom to the upside. So basically, this price goes up. I was when before the New York opens, I did this pre-market analysis to see that price was actually breaking highs and finding it respecting these levels. As you can see, it also went to break this high, break of structure. It also broke this high here. It also went to break out of this level. So when the New York opened, I thought my bias was actually for sales. Say now, since price actually was bought this much, probably it was gonna sell. So as you can see, it also took out this high right here. All right, so right here. So I thought, nah, it's gonna reverse and I can just look for. So let's go onto it and see how price reacted. Okay, so our price moved quickly, and let's see how it reacted. And right there, the New York open was about to open, and it opened with that purple color thickness, the New York open. So when I saw this, I saw it as a liquidity grab, and I all went on to see how price was going to react. So I also looked at price. So I drew this trend line first, and I drew the second trend line right here. So I deleted the first one. So at this moment, I thought, let's see how price is gonna behave. Okay, quickly went to the downside. So when it went to the downside, I thought, nah, price is gonna sell like I predicted, and this was it. So after this change of character, now at this liquidity grab, I was expecting price to actually come at this level for a retest before it actually goes to the downside. But let's see how it reacted. As you can see, price didn't actually come for the retest. It actually had other plans. So I was like, this price went on to break structure. I was expecting price to actually come and respect either this level or probably this level right here. So I drew my point of interest, then waited on price to react on these levels. So you can see price went on to the downside, very quick. Okay, right. As you can see, price came into my zone and rejected. There was the first confirmation I had that price respected my zone, and that was like more like a grab of liquidity with this huge rejection it did. So I waited on. All right. Okay, so it pushed up a bit. All right, pushed down a bit. Okay, all right, boom. At this moment, that's why it got more interesting. So now that price, this is now a liquidity grab. So now price took out this high. This was a change of character. What I was expecting now was for price to actually come back to my order block. So my order block, like I always say, I mark from the candle that created the last low here if I'm looking for buys. So yeah, all right, okay, yeah, so that's what I was looking for. So there was a chance that price was gonna come here. You can see there was a gap here, a fair value gap, and this was the way my order block was. So let's see how price was gonna behave. Okay, moved. It looks like price was gonna go up without actually coming down, but I waited on it very patient, and price eventually came back to my zone. As you can see, price did come back. So when price came back, I didn't actually took the trade right away. I waited for price to actually add this engulfing candle, and that point I knew now I think I'm ready for price to actually go to the upside. So I executed with more like a 0.41 lot, but it's fine. Okay, 0.41 41. Okay, but it's gonna be different with my account size. So here I'm just risking, yeah, so the same, risking probably more or less the same, $100. And as you know, I always risk 1 to get 5. So on this trade I was actually targeting $500. So let's get on and see how price is gonna behave and move. So I went into a little drawdown, and then there you can see price went in profit. And then let's see what's next. Price. So like I said, I was targeting $100. So let's quickly move our TP to 500 and see if price is gonna hit that zone. So boom, yes, 500 mark. So okay, so yeah, that's our 500 mark. So let's see if price is gonna hit that level. Okay, so price retraced a bit, went on to break structure again, retraced a bit. As you can see, it's retracing respected that low level. It also went on to break structure, creating high lows as it went to the upside. Yes. Eventually my TP got hit just here, there, and my 1 to 5, as you can see, this was a 10,000 account I'm big testing on, and we're up like 5%. That was like 500. So that was my thought process on this trade. It was a quick one, no manipulations or what. Price quickly went into profit. So guys, this is how I trade gold. As always, this is the same strategy I use when I'm trading US30, which we call the Dow Jones. So guys, this is it for today. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.